For today, we're gonna do some coffee painting. So today, prepare your instant coffee. Okay, if not, you can use paint. Okay, or you can use crayons or markers or colored pencils. Just copy the values. Or okay, copyahin nyo lang. If I'm using a dark paint, then use a darker shade for the crayons or colored pencil. I'm using other materials. Okay? So I have here a watercolor paper. So my coffee, instant coffee, and three containers or mixing plate, okay, or saucer, or parang lalagyan ng gravy, or pwedeng the one you have with the paint, because we will mix the paint. Here, I'll just cut my paper into half. Gugupitin ko lang itong papel ko kasi gusto ko kalahati lang. Masyadong malaki eh. Gagawa tayong dalawa. But if you want, pwede rin buo. Gusto nyo malaki. Gupitin ko lang, ha? And, para mas, dadawa tayo ng dalawa. Dalawang simultaneous. Ibig sabihin, dalawa yung gagawin ko ng sabay. Para habang pinapatuyo natin yung isa, pwede natin gawin yung isa. We can do the other one while we're waiting for the other one to dry. So now I have half my paper. So now, get your mixing plate or yung plate nyo dun sa paints. Okay. We'll try to put coffee. Okay. Ang magbabago ay yung dami ng tubig. Yan, mas konti. Tapos ito, konting-konti na lang. Ay, sobrahan yata ng konti. Ayan, ganyan lang kadami. Okay? Dito, dapat konti lang yung water. Look, only 2 teaspoons of water so that it will be very dark. Ayan, ang madilim mo, di ba? Ito namang isa. Oops. Lagyan natin. Okay, kailangan tansyahin nyo, ha? Tignan nyo maigi, ha? Kailangan magkakaiba sila. Dapat mas pinaka-light itong isang nasa kaliwa. Okay, dapat magkakaiba sila ng values. The value should be different. Diba? Ito yung dark. Okay, testing nyo lang, ha. Testing nyo sa scratch paper. This is my scratch paper. And dark, medium, light. Ito yung light. Light tones. Medium tone. Dark. So, kahit gumamit lang tayo ng isang pigment, nagbabago yung tones niya because of the water. Mas maraming tubig to compared dun sa kanina. Ayan. So, ganyan lang yung try nyo gawin. Kailangan kayong mag-mix. You have to have an artist eye. Sometimes, hindi kasi eksakto yung pag ginaya nyo lang ako. Minsan, ay, masyado pa lang dagdagan nyo ng tubig. Parang, ay, masyado pa lang light. Dagdagan nyo pa ng konting. So, today we'll be using brown. One of the neutral colors. Sa mga neutral colors. Yan, madaling bagayan, di ba? Okay, so una natin gagawa tayo ng baso. At okay, sige, dalawang gagawin natin. Isang landscape, isang still life. Okay. So, gawa tayo ng seascape. So, okay, we'll start with the light tones. Light. Ito yung ating paper. This is our paper. Let's make a straight line. Ganyan lang. Straight line. Hanggang dulo, ha? Yan, hanggang dulo. Patuyuin natin to. Okay, and then, sige. Yan, light. Masyado yatang light. Dagan ko ng konti. Yan, light. Well, tapos, you can also add more pigment. Even if you're using the same shade, magmumukha siyang darker because you're layering it. Layering ang tawag doon. Okay, now, we'll try to make the texture or ocean waves. How? We'll use broken lines. Parang broken lines, ha? Ganito, oh. Yan. Kailangan hindi pantay-pantay. I mean, hindi... Yan. Ano ba? Yan lang tayo. Tapos, huwag dikit-dikit, ha? Hindi dapat dikit-dikit. Don't put them close together. Otherwise, the paint will blend. Pag pinagdikit-dikit yung maghahalo-halo magbe-blend kasi dapat may spacing. Yan. Parang gawa tayo ng mga waves. You can use a cotton bud if your brush is too big. Masyado lang light, so you have to adjust. Yan, you can use cotton buds. Mas fine lines, see, oh. Diba? Yan, light lang tayo, ha. We're using the light one, ha. Yung very light, yung nasa kaliwa. See? It's shiny. I cannot put a tree or a rock in front kasi it's still wet. Kapag basa pa, huwag natin pintahan muna kasi kakalat. What should we do? Okay, we have to let it dry. Patuyuin muna natin. Okay. But if you're using crayons or colored pencils, don't need to let it dry. Okay lang yun. Tabi nyo muna. Okay, tabi lang muna natin to, ha? Tayo ko sa gilid. Dito sa likod. Patuyuin ko. Patuyuin natin. Okay, kasi ganun ang watercolor. That's how you... Well, this is not watercolor, but that's how you paint. It takes patience. Kailangan patuyuin nyo muna na mabuti yung background or middle ground before you do the foreground kasi magsasmudge. Okay, now we'll work on our second art activity. Okay, ito naman, we'll do a still life. Okay, so for this one, actually pwede naman pa-landscape eh. Sige, ganyan na lang para. Okay, drawing tayo ng vase. Simple lang na vase. Oval. Pencil muna, pencil. Oval. Okay. Tapos, para ma-measure nyo, it's better if you can put a dot first dun sa area that you want to end. Kunwari, gusto ko mag-end dito. Lagyan ko muna ng dot. Yan. Tapos, lagyan natin. Yan. Tapos, pag okay na, dito semicircle din. Yan. Tapos, so try natin to draw yung highlights. We'll try to draw the highlights. The light source will be here. Dito manggagaling yung liwanag. So ito, huwag niyong pipintahan. Light lang to Huwag niyong i-dark. Very light lang. Yan. Tapos, draw tayo siguro ng isa pang... Hindi, okay na yan. Isa lang muna. Para madali. Tagawa tayo ng table. Line. Line. Pwede may flower, ha? Actually, pwede kang may flower. Hindi, wag na. Kasi yan na lang muna. Tapos, look. Line here. Line here. Ganyan lang. Simple lang na vase. Okay? So, you can do this. You can adjust. You can add details. You can add flowers, add cloth, add more objects. Diba? So, for this one, we'll try to use the medium tone first. Yung medium muna. Sige, medium muna. Let's do the table first. Gawin muna natin yung table. Okay? So, dito. Ayan. Minsan, okay. So, I'm using a medium. Pero kapag, if you spread it too thin, it will lighten. Pag masyado nyo siyang kinalat, magsasmudge siya. So, maganda na dagdagan nyo lang ng konti pa. Ayan. Actually, pwede nyo rin ito gawin sa dyaryo. Next time, try natin. Para hindi kailangan ng bagong paper. Pwede ito sa newspaper o kaya dun sa printed na paper. Yan. Medium tone, di ba? Yan, medium tone. Tapos, using the same medium tone, di ba? Our light source is here. I will add more here. Kukuha lang ako. Look. Dip. Tapos, look. Dab, 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 dab. Pag nag-dab kayo, it will add paint dun sa area. It will add paint to that area. No need to do left and right. Just dab, 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 dab. Parang dab, 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 dab. Dabbing yung tawag dyan. Ayan o. Kumbaga, nilalagyan nyo ng pigment dito, pinupuno nyo dyan. Tapos kakalat na siya ng kusa. Pwede nyo siyang ikalat ng konti, pero wag masyado. Ang gusto natin, mas dark itong side na to. Tapos, look, dahil dry pa ito, because this part is still dry, the color or the paint will not go to that part. Hindi siya pupunta doon. Diba? Ganyan siya. Kaya, yan. Gusto lang natin medyo mas dark yung other side. Yan. And, tapos, mamaya na natin na lalagyan itong kabila. Ito din, we can add this part. Dito medyo dark sa loob. Ito naman, balik ko ha. After this, get the dark shade, dark naman. Dito tayo sa loob lang. Use sa cotton bud na lang so it's easier to control. So, tiran nyo lang yung taas. Face pa sa taas. Cotton bud yung secret natin. Ganyan siya. Yan. Okay? Here. So, how's your work? Kamusta naman yung work ninyo? Yan, di ba? Coffee lang tong gamit natin, ha? Ayan, pag nag-smudge din ninyo dito, naipon dito yung paint. Sometimes, naiipon dyan yung paint. You can tilt your paper a little bit. Papuntahin nyo dun sa kung saan yung mas gusto mas dark tignan. Yan. Tapos, we will let this dry. Papatuyuin natin to muna. Again. Again, kasi hindi natin malalagay yung ibang paint hanggat tuyo. Actually, pwede na natin lagyan ng foreground itong taas. Okay. Okay, gagamitan natin ng light para lang matapos dito, pero hindi didikit dito. It will not touch the base. Hindi siya tatama sa base. Dito lang siya sa gilid para lang may kulay yung background natin. Bakit hindi natin siya ididikit sa base? Para hindi kumalat yung paint dun sa area na yon. So, I'm using the light shade. Look, we call this, sometimes we call this parang wash. Wash siya kasi mukha lang siyang winash ng water. Looks like it's just washed with water. It's very light. Okay, but it's ideal to use for background. Maganda siyang gamitin sa mga background. And again, hindi didikit sa hindi ko pinadikit sa base. Mix nyo lang ng konting water. I'm adding a little bit of water. Add some water. Then, kuha lang ako din. Clean water. Then, I'm using two types of water. Two containers. Dirty wash, clean wash. I'm using some clean water. Ayan, para pang smudge lang dito. Fade siya. Slowly. Slowly mag-fade. Hindi siya tatama dun sa base. Okay? Ayan. Done. Next, let's move on to our... Nakita niyo ba? We'll move on to our other painting, yung painting natin kanina. Now, let's go back to this artwork, yung painting natin kanina. Yan, medyo tuyo na siya. Okay, check nyo kung tuyo na. Pag hindi pa, wait nyo na lang hanggang mamaya. Okay, now, we will use the dark to create some trees. Coconut tree. Gawa tayong coconut tree. Ayan. Sabi ko lang itong cotton bud. Okay, so ganito ha. Tignan nyo. Harapin ko lang yung medyo tuyok na part kasi ayoko dumigit dun sa basa pa. Okay, so here, gawa ako ng dark light. Now, I'm using the dark tones ha, yung tuyo. Paslan. Tapos, if you'll notice, this is darker, lighter. Kasi dito ako nag-start. I started here. That's why the pigment is stuck here. So, the-darken nyo pa to. Tapos, yeah, switch to cotton buds. Secret ko talaga yung cotton buds para hindi lumagbas eh. Yan. Then, we'll try to create the leaves, diba? So, here, make a line like that. Coconut tree. Gawa tayong coconut tree. 2. Gagawin muna natin yung tangkay. Naku, kawawa naman yung coconut natin. Parang ang lungkot. Parang stick lang. What should we add? Lalagyan natin ng leaves. Okay? So, ganito magawa ng coconut leaves, ha? From here, look. Kung hindi pa kayo sanay sa brush, use sa cotton bud, ha? Ito, pataas to. Look, ha? Pataas. Susundan nyo yung tangkay. Yan. Di ba ang ating coconut tree? So, this is our foreground, which means it's closest to the viewer or to the camera. Kaya dapat mas darker. So, we're using the dark tone. Di ba? Diba? Coffee painting lang to. Diba? You can use paint. You can use this to paint. Yan na. And then, the reason why we let it dry, kaya natin pinatuyo muna yung dagat para hindi kumalat yung darker shade. So, we let the ocean dry first so that the paint will not spread. Ayan. Tapos ito, gawin mo medyo ganyan. Pwede nyo lagyan ng rocks dito. Parang island. Okay, now we can add other details too, like the mountain. I'm using a middle. For the middle ground, I'll make some mountains. Lalagyan ako ng bundok. Itong gitna, itong middle shade naman yung gagamitin natin, yung pang gitna. The middle tone. So, I'll make a triangle here. Gusto ko hindi pantay. And then smaller one. Oh, yan. There's a mountain, di ba? There's our island. Middle ground. Kaya middle tone yung gamit ko. Pang gitna. For the clouds, di ba? Dapat ito yung gamitin natin. Konti lang natin. Yan. Okay. Tapos konting ibon. Birds. Oh, yan. Look. Yeah. Now, there's our coffee painting. Yan. There's our coffee beach with coconut tree painting. Baka makalimutan natin. Mabilis na lang to. Okay? Last na. Okay. We'll use the medium tone, itong gitna. Tingnan nyo to ha. But do not paint itong gitnang part. Ay, itong part na to. Tapos, dadarkan nyo lang kasi ito pumalat. Isa pa. Dadark nyo lang itong side na to, itong corner. Tingnan nyo ha. Kailangan tuyo pa kasi para hindi malat. Here. Okay? Kailangan lang natin siyang patuyuin. Basta yung shadow nasa kabilang side. Okay? Basa pa kasi, dapat tuyo yan. Anyway, ito yung ating isang art first. Okay? Are you done? Also, minsan naiipon yung paint dito. So, kailangan nyo siyang i-move. Tilt nyo yung paper. Gusto ko ito dati. Yan, diba? Coffee lang po yung gamit natin, ha? Kape lang po to. Hindi po to paint. Ayan, okay. So, now we're done. How's your work? Kamusta naman yung work nyo? Okay, so ayan. Alright. So, thank you for joining us today. Bye!
Know your art, be art smart.